down the stretch we started to handle the press a little bit better. Sometimes it started to get where we're making a few deeper passes, but we moved the ball. It was a little bit better down the stretch. I thought we got wide open shots, and when we needed to, I know Olivia had one big one where she knocked it down from 3, and that kind of put us over the hump as far as getting to that 10-point range where we held the lead to close it out. But defensively, I thought we boxed out a little bit better, but then we started to close out a little bit better, so the shots became tougher. And then on offense, they started to overplay us, and we started getting layups, and it makes it a whole lot easier down the stretch for us to really put the game away. So those are kind of some of the highlights that we had.
And you've got some freshmen that are making a big difference on the team.
Yeah. So some of the freshmen, we have 3 of them, and they do a heck of a job coming in. They do what's expected, and they're young, but at the same time, they hustle, rebound, playing defense, just looking for the open seams to really make it easier. We can get good shots, but there's also times where we can get even better ones. So down the stretch, I think they'll learn from some of the upperclassmen and just playing more. So I think the future's bright, but overall as a team we did pretty well as far as putting the game away.